Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making red kidney beans and corn with poached eggs. This recipe, guys, is easy to make. It's so delicious, so flavorful, spicy and zesty. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. You will need eggs, red pepper flakes, Mexican cheese, sweet corn, red kidney beans. I'm using 2 cans, guys. Salsa. Thank you, Nancy, for the salsa. Start off by opening the cans of corn and beans. Drain the corn and add it to the skillet. So we're gonna use one undrained can of kidney beans and the other one we're gonna drain it. Add to the skillet. Add salsa. I like the chunky onions and tomatoes on this salsa. It's homemade, guys. Then we're gonna add red pepper flakes. Give it a stir. Then we're gonna heat salsa, corn and beans over medium heat until the sauce boils. As soon as it boils, season with salt and pepper. Give it a good stir. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Crack eggs one at a time and carefully pour into the bubbly sauce. Cover the pan with a lid, reduce heat to medium-low, and cook until the eggs are firm, about 4 minutes. Sprinkle with the cheese. Cover pan with the lid until cheese melts. Then you are done. There you have it, guys. Red kidney beans and corn with eggs. You can serve this over rice and refrigerate leftovers. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Please subscribe, share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my